Imagine a world without soap, no foamy bubbles, no sweet-smelling cleanliness, no simple way to wash away dirt and grime. Hard to picture, right? But have you ever wondered, when did ancient humans first make soap? How did this everyday miracle come to be? And what surprising secrets does soap hold about our ancestors' lives and ingenuity? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a story that's as old as civilization itself, the story of soap, that magical substance that has kept us clean and healthy for thousands of years. But guess what? The origins of soap are shrouded in mystery, adventure, and a bit of science. So buckle up as we travel back in time and uncover the fascinating history of soap. Long before bottles of liquid soap lined our bathroom shelves, ancient humans faced a simple but crucial problem: how to stay clean. Cleanliness wasn't just about looking good, it was a matter of survival. Dirt carried disease, and in the ancient world, sickness could mean death. But water alone wasn't always enough. Dirt, sweat, and oils clung stubbornly to skin and clothes. So, how did ancient civilizations tackle this? Let's start by traveling back over 5,000 years. The earliest recorded evidence of soap-like substances comes from ancient Babylon, around 2800 BCE. Archaeologists discovered clay cylinders inscribed with cuneiform writing describing a recipe for soap made from water, alkali, and cassia oil. That's right, Babylonian soap was a mixture of animal fats and wood ash, alkaline substances that could break down oils and dirt. This wasn't just a cleaning agent, it was a game changer for hygiene and health. The Babylonians were remarkably advanced. Their soap was used for washing wool and cotton, but they likely recognized its cleansing properties for the human body too. Imagine that over 4,800 years ago, humans had already mastered the basics of soap making. But was this the very first soap? Let's keep digging. Across the sands of Egypt, ancient texts and artifacts hint at the use of soap-like substances as early as 1550 before Common Era. Egyptians combined animal and vegetable oils with alkaline salts to create a cleansing paste. Soap wasn't just for cleaning, it had spiritual significance. The Egyptians believed cleanliness was linked to purity and the gods themselves. Fast forward to ancient Rome, where public baths were social hubs. Romans used a mixture made from tallow and ashes, similar to Babylonian soap, to wash themselves. Soap became central to their way of life, a symbol of civilization and health. Now, here's the science behind soap, something called saponification. It sounds complicated, but it's really just a chemical reaction between fats or oils and an alkali, like wood ash or lye. When these ingredients come together, they produce soap and glycerin. Soap molecules have a unique structure. One end attracts water, the other attracts oils and grease. This lets soap trap dirt and wash it away with water. This discovery likely happened by accident. Ancient humans noticed that mixing animal fat with ashes near a fire created a slippery substance that cleaned better than water alone. After its early origins, soap making spread across the ancient world. During the Islamic Golden Age, scientists refined soap recipes using olive oil and aromatics. Soap became a luxury and a symbol of purity. In medieval Europe, soap making became a craft, with soap makers forming guilds. Cities like Marseille and Aleppo became famous for their fragrant soaps, blending tradition and innovation. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. Soap became affordable and widely available, transforming public health. The discovery of germ theory in the 19th century linked cleanliness to disease prevention, making soap a powerful weapon against illness. And here we are today, surrounded by thousands of soap varieties, liquid, bar, scented, medicinal, all tracing their roots to those ancient mixtures of fat and ash. Before we wrap up, here are some cool soap facts you probably didn't know. The word soap comes from Mount Sapo, a mythical place where animal sacrifices supposedly mixed fat with ashes, creating soap. During World War I, soap rationing was common, showing its importance even during conflict. Some ancient soaps included perfumes and herbs to mask odors, early luxury skincare. Even today, traditional soap making persists in parts of the world, preserving ancient techniques. From accidental discovery to a cornerstone of hygiene, soap is more than just a cleaning product. It's a testament to human curiosity, science, and culture. Every time you wash your hands, you connect to thousands of years of history and innovation. So next time you lather up, Remember, you're part of a story that began in ancient fires, dusty ashes, and human ingenuity. Thanks for joining me on this fascinating journey into the origins of soap. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing stories, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and stay clean.